Hi everyone, today we're going to do a good old-fashioned vlog and we're going to one of the best shopping malls in Bangkok, which says a lot, with all the modern ones called M-Sphere and Icon Siam and Terminal 21 and what have you. But this one is a little bit outside of Bangkok, so I'm going to show you how to get there. Right, let's go. So the first thing we're going to want to do is come to this BTS station, which is called Udom Suk. And then we can get on a free shuttle bus that goes all the way to Mega Bangna, which is the name of the shopping mall in Bangna. So, come with me as we explore this shopping center together. And over here where you see all the people up in front, right in front of the Udom Suk market is the bus stop, which will take you to Mega Bangna.
So at this point, the traffic noise was just too much, so let's do a little bit of a voiceover here. Just stand here in front of the entrance to the Udom Suk market, right next to the BTS station, and get on one of these white buses that says Mega Bangna or just Mega, like this one. And then sit back, enjoy the ride, about 20 minutes, you get to Mega Bangna. Right as you enter, there's a food court, and you'll find all kinds of Thai goodies and also international cuisine. Here we have Chata Moon, which is my favorite brand for Thai tea. And then there's this food court style, and we have some restaurants like the Iron Pan here to the left. It's like classic Thai street food, but cooked in a restaurant at a higher standard. If we turn up here, we'll see some rice bowls, and also to the left there are some steaks available, and then the food court itself. But turning around this corner, we have my favorite snack, which is also kind of a street food. Roti, Nutella, chocolate banana. Oh my god, so good. Or what about these pastries? Also an indoor flea market, kind of, or just low price market. And then this shopping mall is shaped like an oval, and it's only 2 stories really, so there's a lot of surface area and you can walk around it like an arena. And all along the oval around it are the brand stores separately. Here's a nice bookstore, and I am really learning to speak Thai, so I might pick up this book. Looks good. And on the second floor, as I mentioned, 2 floors, there's an other food court with a little bit more high-end stuff. Higher quality, also slightly higher prices, but not by much. So, huge selection. There's a mega cineplex here. You can go watch a movie, or why not go to a tech store? They have all the regular brands like the Samsungs and the DJIs, Apple stores. How about picking up a new drone? That'd be pretty cool, right? Or a new camera, zoom camera, big camera, and then we have all the phone operators like True or AIS represented, of course. Some outdoor brands like the North Face, or if you're looking for sports equipment or shoes, we have the New Balance, Vans, Converse, Adidas, Nike, etc. And then they have these rotating markets with extra amazing prices in the oval that I was mentioning. And of course, we have Swedish brands like H&M represented, which warms the heart of the Swedish person that I am, of course. But what is something even more Swedish? Well, Ikea, of course. So, and one of the reasons I came here was to have some Swedish food for once. I've been eating a lot of Thai food. On the way in, I am checking out the classic Ikea showroom here. Pretty nice kitchen, right? And here's the menu at the Ikea food court, Ikea restaurant and cafe. Well, you just pick up a trolley and a tray, and then you head into the line and check out the goodies we have here on display. There are the Swedish meatballs that I'm gunning for. And yeah, you just walk up to the chef and say what you would like to order. Now here are some Swedish cakes, like the dime tårta, which is a dime chocolate cake. Here are some salads with salmon, goat cheese, eggs, kind of typical Swedish salads that you'll see in a Swedish restaurant.
Swedish meatball cup.
And then you just take your meatballs, put them on your trolley, and off you go to a nice place to eat. Now let's see what they taste like. Here we go. Creamy sauce, lingonberry jam, mashed potatoes, and broccoli.
Okay, time for the Swedish guy to try some Swedish meatballs at Ikea in Thailand. So first of all, usually I would eat with spoon and fork, but now it's going to be knife and fork, like a proper Swede. And the red jam that you saw, lingonberries. Yeah, so they're called lingonberries. They're berries, a little bit tart and sour, and just a little bit sweet. They come from the boreal tundra region of the planet, so around Russia, Canada, Nordics, Baltics a little bit. So you'll find them in the cuisine there, but especially in Scandinavia. So they go really good with meatballs like this. They're usually pork or a mix of pork and beef, something we call blandfärs, which is, you know, mixed meat, good for meatballs or beef patties, things like that. So, anyway, enough talk. Time to try the Swedish meatballs in Thailand. Wow. I miss that. It's really good. But having lived in Thailand for so long now, I think, you know, it's quite bland, to be honest. But fun to try. Very nostalgic. And yeah, great. Come and try them. That was fantastic. Now, let me show you where they have a lot more good food in this mall. They have something called the Mega Food Walk, I think. So let's go check that out. So here's a map of the food walk. As you can see, it has a lot of different restaurants to choose from. Also different cuisines. Anyway, so the Mega Food Walk is outdoors. So let's head on out of the mall and check out the different food we have on offer here, and then hope we don't get demonetized because of copyrighted music in the speakers. Let's go. Right off the bat, found an Italian restaurant, the Spaghetti Factory. Or you could go for a nice classic Thai restaurant. They have some really nice food there. There we have the mango sticky rice, of course. And they're especially good at seafood, if you like that. Of course, we have a lot of Japanese options, like here. Or why not Korean? So, all kinds of cuisines you'll find here. And over here we have omakase, the Japanese high-end type meal where the chef will prepare everything for you. If we keep going, we have a sushi bar. Anyway, I think you get the point. There are restaurants everywhere, all along the outside of the entire mall, which is huge. And then the walk just keeps going all the way around, 2 stories, so the options are just endless. Just take a stroll along the mall, outside. The reason I came here was to buy some new kicks, because mine literally have holes in them. And also to eat some Swedish meatballs, of course, for the nostalgia, but let's find some cakes. On the way, I find even more restaurants and even more walking areas to find more stuff to eat. Really green as well. Beautiful. And they even have outdoor fans. Everything under a roof, so if it rains, that's no problem either. Now, I am in the market for some runners. I find that to be very comfortable, so I've come to the Adidas shop. Is it Adidas or Adidas? Let me know in the comments, please. And at the Nike store, I believe we have another conundrum. Is it Nike or Nike? Let me know in the comments. So basically what I'm looking for, I am an ultra minimal traveler, right? So I need to find a shoe that is in all black, a running shoe that's very comfortable so I can walk all day like this, but still I'm able to go to a nicer restaurant without switching shoes. So I'm pretty particular about it. And also I'm a US size 12 or a EU size 46, which means my size is not always in stock, as is the case today. So I guess I didn't find my running shoes or travel shoes right now, but they have a very good selection. And if you want to know more about the realities of living in Thailand with big feet or big sizes of clothes, check out this video in the card right there, where I made a video about the realities of living in Thailand as a foreigner. There really is an endless amount of options here at Mega Bangna. So if you want a mall that isn't one of the usual ones in central Bangkok, come out here to Bangna. It's really worth a trip. If you've watched my videos before, you know what time it is now. สวัสดีครับเอาชาไทยครับ 29 จ่ายเงินสดได้ไหมครับไม่บับเบิ้ลครับ ขอบคุณมากครับ Right, did you guess it? No? Oh, come on. Subscribe for more Cha Thai. Can never have enough.
Alright, it's time to head back to Udom Suk station. So just hop on one of these white buses that I showed you earlier and you'll be right back where you left. So, hope you enjoyed this trip to Mega Bangna with me. And if you did, I think you will really love this video right here, where I show my favorite night market. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.